Welcome into this awesome video, people. Today, I am showing you step by step how to create a page on your website, embed your live stream using Restream so that anytime you go live, it is a video sitting on your home page, on your live stream page. And mostly I'm doing this for our church because we want to embed our services on our website so that they go right to our website. Anytime we're live, they can click a button and it takes them right to the live stream. So I've done multiple videos. This is the page right here that I'm looking at today. I'm going to minimize me a little bit. This is the page that I'm looking at right now. This is the page on Worship the King. It's called worshiptheking.com/livestream. All of the links for what I'm doing in this tutorial are important, and it's going to be a little complicated, so you're going to want to go to this page. It'll show you exactly what to do. But watch this. If I was live on my main channel, I could click this button and it would go live. Okay, so it says I'm waiting for Worship the King. So as soon as I go live on that channel, the video is going to be right there. And this could be embedded in any size in any web page. And that is the beauty of this video tutorial today. So let's get into it, and then I'm going to do this for my church. So first of all, I have that's the overview goal. First of all, you're going to have your channel ID. Okay. Your channel ID, not your user ID. So you're going to get your channel ID from right here at this link. So you're going to go to this link, and I wanted to open that in a new tab. But you're going to go to this link, and I already clicked that link, and it's right here. So I look at my channel, my user ID, and my channel ID. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account, and all you do is copy your channel ID. Okay. Now I opened up something in Evernote, and I'm going to create an Evernote for you, a blank note. And so you can copy your ID and put it in a note. Okay, so this is like me putting this in a note right here. So I'm gonna put this in a note right here. That's my channel ID, and I kind of type channel ID. So that's my note for live stream setup. So do this exactly. Do it in Microsoft Word, whatever. Now you've got your channel ID. Now go to number 2. Change the channel ID in this code and embed it to your site. So this is the code I want you to copy. Copy this code. It's an iframe code. I don't want you to take this over to your thing. I'm doing this exactly how I would do it. Copy and paste this code. Okay, so now this code is for my other channel. It's got a channel ID in there. It's an iframe. The width is 1280 by 720. That's what I'm going to default to. You can change that later. So you're going to take this new channel ID that I have right here, and you're going to put it where it says embed/live_stream channel equals. Okay, you want to put it right there. Okay, so you want to try to edit this code and equals, channel equals, and I'm going to edit right here. So in Word it might be different, but I'm going to edit the code. It's not letting me do it because it's a link. So I'm going to remove this link. Unlink it. I need to unlink this. So there's no link. It doesn't have to be linked. So then I just take this right here, and I just paste my code. That is my channel ID. Okay, so now this right here is my special iframe code that's gonna actually suck in my stream. Okay, so you do that. Now you are going to take this code, copy it, go over to your website, and you create a new page. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to call it. It doesn't really matter what I call it right now. I'm going to just go in and embed this code right here. Okay, testing live stream code. Okay, so I'll delete this after this video. So I'm going to put a code in here. So let's go HTML, and this, you can do this however you want to, but custom HTML, I believe I can do an iframe in custom HTML, and then I'm going to publish this page. Okay, now I'm going to view the page and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's a little tiny. Oops, that page can't be found. That is not right. Okay, let me just go back to edit this page, and I'm gonna edit with Elementor because that's the editor I use. So I will know how to do this in Elementor. Attempted block recovery. Wow. Whatever. Let's just edit with. Let's go ahead and get rid of this block. Convert to classic block. We're going to get rid of this. So this is just, hopefully it doesn't bore you too much. Edit with Elementor. I'm going to leave this. That's fine. So in Elementor, which is my site builder, which I use, I'm going to paste this code. So you're going to have to work with your web developer to pretty much paste the right code. Okay. paste the code that I gave you is right. That's the key. So what you can do is you can take this. I believe I can do an HTML, and I did this like in my drop this over here, and then so this is an HTML block, and I'm gonna paste that code right there. iframe width 1280, 720 HTTPS YouTube channel embed live stream channel. Frame border 0, iframe allow, iScreen. So yeah, it's weird. That looks totally weird. Oops, this page can't be found. All right, well that's okay. HTTPS uses live stream. Let's go into my magic key here. Let's see if I embed my magic key, because I have a magic key from earlier. There it is. Okay. So I think what happened when I did this in my note here, I think I messed up the code. So this is the actual code from the original. Okay, that's my code. And then I want to change my channel ID to this channel ID. So I just want to make sure, I just want to change my channel ID. Okay, so I'm going to source HTTPS YouTube embed live stream channel. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to pick this and I'm going to put my channel ID in there. Okay. So that actually has to be right. You have to get that right. And I think I did. I think I just did get it right. So let's see if we can do, and you know what? I just realized something. You can actually do it it might even be easier to do it like that. Take this code off the website, the iframe code, paste it up in a browser up here. Like in a browser button, it's fine. This is the code, iframe, YouTube channel live, embed, and then just take your channel ID that you have, your new channel ID, and just stick it in there, okay? Stick it in here like this. This is the point. This is the point. So and then I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go back over to my note for live stream. So follow me here through all of that. You're going to take, this is your final live stream, okay? Bam. Get rid of this one. I know it's kind of confusing, but you're going to take the line of code off the website. You're going to put your embed channel ID in it, and that is the point. When you take this piece right here, take it over to your website, and you're going to embed it in your website. So this is my testing, copy and paste, and I do that. Now, for some reason, it doesn't like this code, and it looks funny. So let me just fix that. I'm going to fix it. Now I'm going to change the code. This is my code. This is my secret code. This is my not secret. It's not a secret. This is my embed code. So I've got the embed code there, and then I'm going to change the channel ID to my channel ID. So you got to get the right channel ID in. So you're going to take the code, and then you're going to embed the channel ID in here. Boom. I'm going to just take it out, equals, bam, channel ID. Okay. Wow. So it must be seeing my live video already. Okay, 1280 by 720. That's fine. And then I'm going to clean this page up. I'm going to update this. Okay. And now I know why it was... You guys, I know why it was messing me up now. It was seeing what I was doing, and I can't explain what it was doing. I won't try to explain it. I'm just saying, just do exactly what's on the page, because the thing is, this exactly what's on the page is what works. Okay, that's all I'm trying to say. If you follow that page that's in the link in this description, it will work. Okay. I made it a full screen. I'm going to do canvas, element or canvas. So now we have an actual video player embedded in a page, okay? And I'm just editing this up, so you be patient. If I go to default, and hide the title. The reason this doesn't work in this setting is because I have it's too big. So that's why I'm going to switch this around, and I'm going to make it to where it is an element or canvas, element or full width. Okay. So it's going to make it full width. You can change, and that's in my instructions, you can change the size of this by going create a page on your site, which is what we just did. Okay. And I'm actually going to unlink this. I'm going to have to unlink this. And then you can customize the video size player. So if you wanted it smaller, I put it in number 4. You can actually go into your code. So if you go into your code on your page, you can go into this code right here, and you can change right here, 1280 by 720, change it to whatever you want, change it to whatever you want. But I put in my notes, specifically change it to one of these, 640 by 360 or 854 by 480. And so you'll see that that keeps the aspect ratio the same. And then that'll be good there. I hope you're still watching. That took a little while, but we get to this point, okay, where my live video is actually and then embedded in my website now, okay? And all of that I was just doing is actually embedded in the website. Now, there is another step that number 5, schedule a live stream. This is actually the step that makes it user friendly. So now, whenever you go in Restream and start a stream in YouTube, it will be on your website. It will be right here wherever you put it. Now, this page is a new thing I made. See, I made this cool thing. This is what my site looks like. It looks like live stream, press start. So it says, welcome to the WTK live stream. Press play to start the live stream in progress. Okay, having trouble clicking, trouble launch here. Okay, so that's what you could do. So this page that I created over here, this disaster of a page that I was creating, it doesn't look right. So you want to add some stuff to the top, you want to add some stuff to the bottom, or have your developer do that. And then you want to, in order to make it not look dumb, whenever you're not streaming, what shows up right here is, if I can show you what shows up in here, I'll show you what shows up in here. It shows up in there, nothing. It shows up just a big gray, like broken Facebook or broken YouTube link. It just shows up like a big broken YouTube video. So you don't want that to happen. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go over to your YouTube channel now. That's what it shows. That's what would be on your page, because it's looking for a live stream, and if there isn't a live stream, it's going to show nothing. So follow me on this. It's going to look like that, and it's going to be embedded on your page. So in your page here, where I have this pretty graphic, it's going to show a big, ugly, broken YouTube thing, and that's not good. So you want to go into your YouTube channel, and you want to go into create, let's see, go live. Okay, so this is the last step. It's not really on the instructions. I think actually it is on the instructions. It's step 5, schedule a live stream, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to say a later date. You're going to schedule a live stream with streaming software, and schedule a stream ahead of time. So schedule a stream ahead of time. Create new. Don't reuse the settings of the last one, because I think that's what YouTube will do. It'll either show a big dumb video, like a blank video, or it will show your last stream. So if your last stream was something else, it's going to show on your live stream embed. It's going to show that. So WTK Tech live stream. So you might want to call it like your company, like, the church at Spring Hill live stream. Put in your description whatever you want, which I have that. That's fine. Science and technology, whatever. Upload a custom thumbnail. So now you go in and you upload this thumbnail. It is a custom thumbnail that I made in Canva that says, coming soon, or welcome to our, live stream starting soon. If you were a church, you could put live stream starting 10 a.m. Sunday morning. Every Sunday, you could put that in this thing. No, it's not made for kids. And then you create the stream. It doesn't matter to me. I don't think it matters at this point what, to me, and I'll test this out as I go, it doesn't matter what day or time the live stream is going to happen. It doesn't matter, okay? I'm actually live right here, and then I'm upcoming. So whatever your most recent upcoming live stream is actually going to be what shows up in your page, in your placeholder. So that is my solution for placeholder. I think it'll work. So every time they come here, they're just going to see this live stream, press start. That's my placeholder. That was actually something I created in the live stream. Right now, what they see is that I'm live. That they see this is actually a live thing. So they can click play. Still watching. That took a little while. It's live. But once I go off live, what's going to happen is this is going to just turn into something else. And hopefully, as I test through it, it will just turn into the placeholder for the next upcoming live event, or the last event, or whatever it will be. But I'll test that out, but that's what I would see. Go to the links in the description for this step-by-step tutorial, and then I'm going to actually be doing this step-by-step tutorial for our church today. So maybe I will go ahead and put that video up too. It'll be a little smoother because I've done it a couple times now. It is confusing. It is not easy to do. I'm not saying it's not hard to do. You just need that one little embed code, okay? So I'm going to make this embed code very specific. I'm going to make sure that it's in here, that you can copy it. You can copy this embed code really from anywhere on YouTube. I think you can actually copy it from whatever. But I'm going to unlink. See what I think problem the link was is this. This link is. I need to break that link because I don't want it linking. See, there you go. I need to break that link. I need to break this link. I need to break this link so that when you copy this, I think that's what my problem was in the front of the site. I copied this. It was copying a link. So I don't want that to be anywhere like that. Iframe border, create a page, embed the code, find the code, get the right code, put it inside this, and this is actually, this right here is what you need to change to yours, okay? Change the channelity in this code, embed it to your site. The bold part needs to be changed to your channel ID, not the user ID. Okay, and then when you do that, it's going to be sucking in your live stream at all times. Update this. This is a page that you can actually check out on the website. Check out the live stream page, and then I will delete and throw away this other page I created for you guys today. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and mostly, go to subscribe to the channel and let me know. I will see you on the next video where I'm going to do this again for the church at Spring Hill so I can send over to our web developer our live stream code, and then we're going to be actually able to hit a button, go live on all platforms. That is the key and the goal of this endeavor. God bless you guys.